Dear students, welcome to all of you in my online maths video class. Here, today we will discuss about some question related to exercise 1.3. In our last video class, we just discussed what is the Venn diagram and operations on a sets, that is union of a set, intersection of a set, and difference of two sets. After that, what is the next topic was the set is intersection of the test, union of the set, difference of the set, and after that there was one more topic which is some basic results about cardinal numbers, complement of a set, etc. These were the topics whatever we are discussed in our last video class. Today here I am going to discuss about exercise 1.3, that is the question number 4. Question number 4. This is the question number 4. According to this question, the value of universal set is given. Universal set which is represented by this die, which is equal to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the universal set, and we know that the symbol of the universal set is this or this. Okay. After that, here given set A. Set A is given. The element of the set A is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and set B is like this way: 2, 3, 4, 7, and 8. Okay, we have to find the first one, that is A union B. Okay, A union B, how we write? Just we write the set A, that is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, union the second set 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, and its value will be, what is the definition of A union B? Do you remember? X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B or both. This is the definition of A union B. So using this definition, we try to find this value. Means here 1, 2, we should write 3, after that 4, then 5 here, after that 6 here, then 7 here, and 8, like that. This is answer of A union B, and this we solve with the help of this formula: X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B or both. Getting? Now the second part of the question is, we have to find A intersection B. A intersection B, what is the definition? X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Means all that element will be in A intersection B, which is common in A and B. Using this method, A intersection B will be what? 2 here, 2 here, 3 also here, 3 also here, that will be 2, 3, and no one element is common now, then only the answer will be 2, 3. A intersection B will be only 2, 3. Why? Because in set A 2, 3, which is common in set B also. Now the third part. What is the third part? The third part is A minus B. A minus B. A minus B means what? If we have the two set, then this is called A minus B. This part is called A minus B. Means the element of A which is not in B, that is A minus B. We just write it will be better to write the set. So set A is what? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 minus, what is the set B? That is 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, and we should take only that element which is in A but not in B. Here we cannot take 2, we will not take 2. Here 3 also, we cannot take 3. Here 4, not here. 7, not here. 8 is not here. Then 1, 5 and 6. Means 1, 5, 6 is the element which is in set A but not in B. Therefore, A minus B will be 1, 5, 6. The next one, the fourth part. The fourth part that is B minus A. That you do by yourself. You can do it by yourself. The fifth part is what? Let us see the fifth part. The fifth part is A intersection B dash. We have to find it. Then first of all, we should find what is the B dash, means complement set of B. So here it will be universal set minus B, means are the element of universal set which is not the element of B, that will be the element of complement set B. So here write this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minus set B is what? 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Like this way. 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Then what is the B dash? Element 1 will be there. We cannot take 2 because 2 is here also. We cannot take 3 here also. We cannot take 4 because 4 here also. After that we can take 5, 6. 1, 5, 6. Okay. 7, 8 also we cannot take. So here we take only 1, this, after that 5, and after that 6 only. Other element, that is 2, 3, 4, 7, 8 is the element of set B. In this way we can write here here 1, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 5, 6. Now A intersection B means what? First we write A intersection complement set B. Set A is what? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and intersection of here complement set B, that is 1, 5 and 6. Then its value will be 1, 5, 6. Here 1, here 5, and here 6. That is 2, 3. 2 and 3. In this way, the answer of A set A intersection complement of set B, that is 2 and 3. Now let us see the sixth part. Sixth part. Sixth part is what? The sixth part is A union B dash. A union B dash is what? Here universal set minus we have to find complement set of A union B. So complement set of A union B means here and A union B. Then here we should write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and A union B also we can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means the element of A which is not in B. Here we just find that there is no element of A which is not in B. Therefore, the complement set of A union B will be null set or void set, or this can be represented by phi also. Okay. Now the seventh part of the question. The seventh part of the question is complement set A intersection of complement set B. Okay. And how we write the? We have to find its value. Complement set A is what? Universal set minus set A. Universal set is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 minus this set 1. That is 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6. Then its value will be what? Its value will be, we cannot take this, you don't cut here, I try to make you understand, and we cannot take 2, we cannot take 3, we cannot take 5, because the element which is in A but not in B, that is 6 here also. Yes. Here what is the answer? 4, 7, 8. It means here the value will be 4, 7 and 8. It means we can write here complement of set A is 4, 7, 8, and now complement of set B we should find. B dash universal set minus B. Again we write the universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minus set B 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Then what is the complement of set B? We cannot write 2 because 2 both place. We cannot write 3 also because 3 also here. We cannot write 4 also. We cannot write 7 and 8. Okay. Then what is the element which is not in B? That is 1. 1 is in a universal set but not in the set B. After that 5. Then 6. The 3 element 1, 5, 6 is in the universal set but not in set B. Therefore, complement set B is equal to this much. Now, here let us find intersection of complement of set A and complement set B. That is, A is what? 4, 7, 8. Intersection this 1, 5, 6. But here we find that no one elements are common. Therefore, again, the intersection of complement set A and B will be null set or void set. This is fine. Okay, I hope you understand. Now, similarly, you can find the next two part, that is 8 and 9. Here, let us see one more question, that is question number 8. Let us see now question number 8. Question number 8. What is the question? The question is given like this way. The diagram, Venn diagram, universal set is represented like here xi, and we have two set A and set B. What is common? 1 and 7 is common. Here this is set A and this is set B. The other element of set A is, that is 2 and 4, and the other element of set B is 308. 308, and the element out of set A and B is 5, 6 and 9. Here 5, 6 and 9. And what is the question? The first question we have to find A union B. A union B is what? All the element of set A and B, means here all the element of set A and B, that is 2 here 2 4 2 4 1 7 1 7, after that 3 0 8. Now arrange it: 0 1 0 over 1 over 2 2 over 3 3 over 4. Okay, after that 4, that is 7, and here 8. How much element? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, this is A union B. Now the second part of this question is, that is A intersection B. A intersection B. You know that this represent A intersection B. This represent A intersection B. A intersection B means what? 1 and 7. 1 and 7. And according to this figure, the universal set is how much element? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 also. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here 9. There are this much is element. A intersection is 1, 7. The third one is A minus B. A minus B. And what is A minus B here? According to this part is the A minus B. So that will be only 2, and A minus B will be 2, 4. After that A intersection B. Complement set of A intersection B. Complement set of A intersection B. Then here we can write like this way. Simply just we leave the element which is in between this, that is 1 7, leave intersection. The part of intersection of two sets should be leave, and write all the elements. That will be 2, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. They are the element of the element of complement set A intersection B. Using De Morgan's law also we can solve this question. According to De Morgan's law, A intersection B and its complement set is what? That is complement set A union complement set B. And also here A union B, complement set of A union B is what? Complement set of A intersection complement set of B. These two things, these two values are known as De Morgan's law. A intersection B, complement of A intersection B is equal to complement of A union complement of B, and complement of A union B is equal to complement of A intersection complement of B. In this way, using this rule, we can find its answer. Similarly, some more questions are given, just like question number 9, question number 10 also, 11, 12. Okay, here try to solve up to question number 15. The next question we will see in next video. Thank you.